Hello, this is a Paint-A-Lot, and today I'm going to show you how I kitbashed my paladins. So first off, you need a box of paladins and a box of custodian wardens. I cut out the legs and the torso from the wardens and the torso from the Grey Knights kit. I clipped off the torso of the warden's model right above the belt part. Same for the front part as well. This one's a bit tricky, so what you have to do is cut the sides first, and then you can just cut around the circular belt buckle, I don't know what it's called, emblem. Then use a modeling knife to scrape off the excess parts and just to smoothen off the belt part. So after gluing the legs, you can dry fit the torso of the Terminator parts with the Custodian's legs. They fit pretty well, but I wanted to fill in the gaps and also add a bit of material to it, like a tabard, like popping out of the side. So I used green stuff to fill it in and then just squish them together. They're not the most dynamic looking models in terms of pose, but at this stage you can actually twist the waist to have a different pose, or tilt it. You can use any of the Terminator arms or weapons and heads. I actually wanted to make a brother captain because I don't have one yet, so I gave this one a thunder hammer. And this is him so far. It's quite simple, but I like the look of them. I kind of wanted my Grey Knights to look special and different, and Games Workshop hasn't released any new models, so I kind of gave up hope on that. I hope you like them, and yeah, thank you very much for watching.